Alright, so we got a KitchenAid, and this is the 5-door model. And what we're dealing with is the freezer section. The light is off, so we're going to dig into this. And normally when the light is off down here, it is your LED light. If you have lights up here, up top, it's going to be the one freezer light that is out. That actually is the issue. All right, you can also check for power, but pretty straightforward. You don't have to remove the door or the bins. A lot easier. I'll show you how to do it. And guys, when you close your door, always close the left first and then the right door. That protects the strip of mullion from being destroyed. Alright, so we're going to replace this bulb, but we're going to do it with everything still here. I'm not going to take the doors off. I'm going to do any of that. Cooling this off, and the lights are still on. We're going to use a putty knife and get under it. That's all we're going to do. You don't have a lot of room, but you have enough. Now the front side is where you want to get it. There's a little tab, and you have to push on the tab. Right. And you want to slowly pull it out. Then I can feel. So you want to push back a little bit on these tabs. And sometimes the insulation will actually hold it in even more. So sometimes you just have to work it. And it comes out. As you can see, the foam was on it. And all around foamed. So sometimes it takes a few minutes to get it out. Now your light, your plugins, is going to be kind of deep sometimes. And that sometimes is tricky, and it just depends. If you can't get it out, sometimes you might have to remove the 2 screws here so you have a little bit more room to work with. So I'm going to try and see if I can pull just a little bit, but not too hard. Just kind of wiggle until you can loosen some of the foam that is around it, because if you yank it off and it's stuck in there, now you're going to have to figure out how to get that other connection part out. I can feel it, but it's still not free. As you can see, all that foam, excess foam that's in there. And so when they load the fridge, you can see the foam popping out. That's basically the same thing. So okay, see that? So we got the wire down. Now we can unplug and plug the other one in. So don't yank, just take your time with it. It comes out. You can squeeze and pull. You might need to use 2 hands so that you don't add any more pressure to the other wire. Again, you don't want to break it. Just squeeze that tab and pull. I'm using one hand here, so. New light. and we got lights. All right, and that's as easy as it is, guys. And now you do is insert your other backup in there, tuck your wire to the side so that everything goes up nicely, and slowly reinsert it. Make sure that the piece that you pulled out gets pushed more so to the left, otherwise once you insert you won't have enough room for your light, and you want to make sure that you have enough room to reposition your new LED. A lot of foam in there. All right, guys, just wanted to show you real quick. We're all done, and we're nice and up, straight, and that covers the repair. No door, no nothing has to come off. Just take your time. Now, don't forget to turn your unit on. That would not be a good thing. Press and hold. Thanks for watching.